Hello, today we're going to talk about day one on Carnival Legend room tour. Welcome to Travels R Us.
Here we are. We finally made it. Let's see. Oh. Let's see. Are the keys in it?
Yes. Open it
You
up.
excited?
Of course I'm excited. Let's try that. That's what we live for, to travel. Platinum, baby! Yes! There you go.
Nice. Here I am. Gonna do a room tour. Hi, Alvin.
Hello.
How you feeling? You finally made it in the boat.
I'm happy.
How was the process going through?
It was a little bit long, but not really too long. It was pretty good. I kind of said, oh, it's like every time we get on the ship, it's about the same thing.
Okay, so there we go. We're gonna do a room tour of the boat. We'll start with we go this way. This is the entrance, and then there's the bathroom. Hopefully I can do this without making you guys dizzy. The shower. There we go. The shampoo and shower gel. The toilet. The towels looks nice. Everything looks nice and clean. Okay, this is the shower. Close that. And then on the other side, we've got the closets. And I believe on this side usually, yep. Hopefully we won't need these. And then we've got the closet 1. Closet 2. The other one should be drawers. Oh yeah, nice and spacey. It looks like we've got the mirror right over here. And then here's the desk. And with all the good stuff to read. It looks like they are giving us masks to wear. These are the N95 masks. And we brought ours just in case. We weren't sure what to bring or not to bring. And then this one here, we've got, looks like 2 larger drawers at the bottom and 2 small drawers at the bottom. And the hair dryer right over here. And then these are the larger ones, the trash can and the stool. And I believe the fridge is in this one. Glasses. Oh, this might be the safe. Okay, we've got the safe in here. And of course, the TV. It looks like we've got an extra space here. And then we've got, oh, this one right here would be great for shoes. And another mirror. And me. And then we'll try to not ruin the good part yet. Here's the bed. My side. His side. And the art is always beautiful. And over there, see? Told you that was his side. The table looks nice over here. And I'm gonna pan out. You can see the full view of the room. Keep walking gotta walk into anything. That's the room. Okay. Oh, and of course,
There's our wine.
we got our wine bottle. Okay, we got more than one, but we'll just go with that. Just that's for today. And then over here is where I'll be reading. Let's go back out here. Oh, looks like I'm double locked. Oh, this feels so nice out here. So there we go. Skyline of Baltimore. You see, there's not that many people. That's the parking lot. It's a beautiful day. Oh, it feels so good. Balcony's a good size. Looks like the crew's up there having a good time. It looks like we are set with our tour of our room. Stay tuned. We're going to also do a tour of the ship and a lot of other fun stuff that we'll try to post for you guys while we're out and about, trying to get ourselves into some good trouble while we're here. So we're going to unpack because we need to go to the Lido deck. We'll see you there. We'll see you at the Lido.